Hi, welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. In this video I'm gonna show you how to add refrigerant to AC system on 2008 Volkswagen Jetta City. First thing, you need to make sure what kind of AC refrigerant is your vehicle using, and you can check this by checking the sticker. Next step is to attach AC can to the AC hose. After that, you need to locate a low port where you can attach your AC hose. In this case, the low port is here, right behind the right side headlight. Once you have AC hose attached, you will have to start your vehicle, turn AC on, and put the blower motor to the highest setting. Now, when you have your vehicle running with AC on, you can actually see the level of refrigerant in your system. So this one shows that it actually needs some refrigerant, and that's the reason why it's not blowing cold. It's ideal if your needle is close to the end of the blue field. Next step is open the can by turning it clockwise. After that, you want to turn it counterclockwise to release AC refrigerant from the can. In this case, I only used one can, and that was enough to move the needle in the spot where I want it, and inside of the vehicle there is very cold breeze of air blowing. This AC recharging will only work if your AC system is complete and it does not have any leaks, such as AC compressor leak or AC lines leak. Always make sure that you know the capacity of AC refrigerant and AC refrigerant type for your vehicle. I hope this video was helpful to you and saved you some money.